welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you some tips on apartment hunting in Shenzhen. Tip number 1, know your budget. How much are you willing to spend on rent? What's your minimum? What's your maximum? And are you willing to go over your budget slightly to find something that's more fitting for you? Second is know the district. What district are you going to live in? What district are you going to work in? Just because you work in a certain district doesn't mean you have to live there as well. Research the different districts. They all have different styles, so find what fits you. If you are further out from downtown, expect to pay less rent. If you're closer to downtown, expect to pay more rent, but you will be near nightlife, Western restaurants. Third tip is, what are your needs? Do you want a full kitchen, balcony, separate shower? Do you want to live near the metro? Do you not care if you're near the metro because you're willing to taxi? Keep those things in mind, and that'll definitely help narrow down the search when you're apartment hunting. The next question I've been asked frequently: how do you find an apartment? How did I find my apartment? Well, I used an agent. So an agent is basically that middle person between you and the owner. Usually they'll be the one translating, they'll look over the contract with you before you sign it, and they'll take you to look at these apartments. Keep in mind that agents do charge half a month's rent. Most of the apartments require a 2-month deposit plus the first month's rent. And in the first month's rent, you're also paying management fees. So if your apartment is $5,000 a month, you'll pay $10,000 deposit, $5,000 first month, plus the management fee that can be anywhere from $150 to about $400. Another great way is through apartment offices. There's offices throughout the city of different companies that help look for apartments. However, most of them do speak Chinese, but feel free to walk into one of them. And the last is through apps. So you can use WeChat if you're in a group chat, or there's a housing group chat, you can get added into it. And many agents or owners post shared apartments. And another great one is Airbnb. If you're not in China, but you're looking to see how much rent is in the area, go on Airbnb, find out what district, put in your budget, and there you are. Also, a lot of these Airbnb places do short-term stays, and if you speak with them, most of them can even offer you a contract. Not all apartments require 2-month deposit. Most of them do require 2 months, but you can find some that are only 1 month. Also, as far as leases go, you can have a month-to-month lease, a short-term lease for about 3 months, 6 months, or you could sign a year lease as well. All right, well, that's all I have for you today. If you have any more apartment questions, please leave a comment down below. Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.